If you're getting a Lucidchart file upload error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most common fixes step by step so you can get your file uploaded as quickly as possible. Whether your diagram, image, or Visio file keeps failing to upload, timing out, or just refuses to load, these simple troubleshooting steps can usually solve the problem fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's start with the first and most important check, your file format and file size. Lucidchart supports common file types like PNG, JPEG, SVG, and Microsoft Visio files, so first make sure your file is actually in a supported format. If the file is too large, the upload may fail or time out before it finishes. In that case, try compressing the image, reducing the file size, or splitting a large document into smaller pieces. This one step alone solves a lot of upload issues, especially when the file is full of high-resolution graphics or complex elements. If the file looks correct and the size seems reasonable, the next thing to test is your browser. Browser extensions, corrupt cache, or stored cookies can interfere with uploads inside Lucidchart. A very easy way to check this is to open an Incognito or private browsing window. If you're on Chrome, Edge, or Safari, open a private window, sign into Lucidchart again, and try the upload one more time. If the file uploads successfully in Incognito mode, that usually means the problem is with your normal browser session, not Lucidchart itself. When that happens, the next fix is to clear your cache and cookies. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Mac, press CMD, Shift, and Delete. In the browser settings, select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Make sure the time range is set to all time, then click Clear Data. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try uploading the file again in Lucidchart. Clearing old browser data often removes hidden conflicts that block file uploads. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to check is your network connection, VPN, or firewall. Sometimes a VPN or strict office network can block the upload request behind the scenes. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it and test the upload again. If that doesn't help, try switching to another Wi-Fi network or even a mobile hotspot. That can help you figure out whether the issue is caused by your current network settings rather than the file itself. At this point, if your file still won't upload, go back and test each step one more time in order. Check the file type, reduce the file size, test in incognito mode, clear cache and cookies, and rule out VPN or network restrictions. In many cases, one of those fixes will resolve the Lucidchart upload error without needing any advanced troubleshooting. So that's the full fix for a Lucidchart file upload error. I hope this helped you get back to work quickly. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials, productivity tips, and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.